This is the last time this car will be this quiet, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Bro VD. Hope you guys are having a great day. Now today might be the last time you guys hear the car being this quiet. Only reason being is because I'm on my way to the shop right now to get my downpipes installed. And what I'm going to be doing is just dropping out the vehicle there, have them install it, and then probably come back during my lunchtime and just get the vehicle. So I'll make sure I give you guys a sound clip once I get the car back. Luigi's right behind me. He's following me to the shop, so he's the one that's going to give me a ride back. So should be litty. I low-key always wanted my exhaust to be a little bit louder, but not too loud. And obviously going full catless is gonna make my exhaust like 10 times louder, so I'm not ready for it, but I am, but I'm not. So we'll see right now how it comes out. Got my boy Eric right here taking care of me. Say what's good, bro. I'm about to show you guys this sick-ass G37. Oh, you got the hood pins on it too? That's so dope.
Yeah, fucking did the ported manifolds, upper and lower, 3-inch intakes. Fucking DC short headers.
Nice.
Test pipes. Fucking YSR single. I got a 25-row oil cooler.
You have an oil cooler as well?
Yeah. And I have a tranny cooler too. And a fucking diff brace and poly bushing. I don't know. I'm gonna try and send it on like 10 pounds or like 8 or 10 pounds.
Bruh.
Be good.
It's gonna be a crazy build.
That should be good for like 5 and wheel at least.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Oh yeah, I did the 369 LSD diff too, and that shit helped a lot.
Luigi drove out of his way to go get McDonald's when there's a McDonald's next to my house.
There's one right here, bro.
He had to drive a half a mile this way, and then he has to drive 2 miles this way.
She was not half a mile over here.
That was like a quarter mile.
Yeah, a quarter mile, bro.
And you're gonna drive over 2 miles that way.
No.
Warning! Warning!
I gotta be at work at 10. It's 9:32. Ooh. First shot up right there. That shit sounds good. Ooh. That shit sounds nasty. Some Volks. Yo, if you guys need any car parts or anything done to your cars, make sure you guys come on down to Infiniti Motorsports out here on, what is it, 19th Ave and Broadway? I gotta go back to work, unfortunately, so I'll probably pick it up later on today and give you guys a couple more revs and flybys. Alright, you guys, the car has been off for about 4 hours now, so this is gonna be the first cold start with the new 4-ace downpipes with the exhaust. Oh, it's not even that loud. The car isn't even that loud, honestly, unless I'm fully flooring it, full throttle. Whose man's is that? But after the gym, I'll go to the gas station, get some gas, and I'll show you guys a couple revs. But we're about to hit the gym right now, get some gains, and Carlos is gonna show you guys his Tomei exhaust. Just got done with that nasty chest pump, guys. I'm trying to get my chest big. So we hit chest like 3 times a week now, huh, Carlos? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday we hit legs. Friday we hit arms, so you know the vibes. We're about to go weigh ourselves again. I think Carlos weighs like 265 last time he checked. Alright, y'all, pull up to the gas station real quick. About to get some gas. I'm not gonna fill up on 91 because I'm gonna get tuned on Friday. I don't really be driving as much, so I'm gonna be going E70. So there's no point of filling up the whole tank with with 91 if I'm gonna have to dump it all on Thursday or Friday. So my car's filthy. I need to get a car wash, guys. Check this out. You guys can still hear the wall valves, which is super nice. It's not overly powered over by the exhaust, which is perfect, just the way I like it. Give you guys a couple downshifts here. It does feel a little bit quicker, I'm not gonna lie. It's a little bit more responsive. Obviously, I'm not full throttling it because, like I said earlier, just gotta be cautious for right now until I get tuned. But yo, it is super responsive. I love the throttle. As soon as I tap the pedal, it just wants to jump. So that's pretty dope. I think it's a little bit not raspy, but it's a little bit like rattling. I have a small exhaust leak because when I was super low, I would always bang up the exhaust and scrape on everything. So I need to get that welded or something, get taken care of that, or just get a different exhaust. But I probably plan on just taking it to a shop and having them weld the little hole that I have, and then possibly throw like a resonator on it. But it sounds good, guys, don't get me wrong, it sounds really good. Casually driving, it's not even loud, like you can't even hear the exhaust. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna be it for this video though. Hope you guys did enjoy it. If you guys did, drop a thumbs up for me, drop a comment down below, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And yeah, I can't wait till I get this baby tuned on Friday, and I'll make sure I record everything that I can for you guys and show you guys the whole process of that. But as of right now, guys, I'll catch you guys next time. Virgil.